Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights and Counting. Today, the roof decking is complete. Well, this is it. This was the last day that I'd be able to see the exterior framing of the home. It was time to get in those last-minute shots and review the work that had been completed. I was using my standard shots before the framers showed up, because when they did arrive, I began to install the exterior siding walls. It was still early in the morning, and the camera kept adjusting itself for glare. Well, here comes the decking. This was something I was grateful for being able to film. They were bringing up the planks through the roof joist and then nailing them into place. In order to keep the camera away from the workers, I was incorporating new movements. It was effective to do side-to-sides and hovers while adjusting the camera. I had a lot of confidence in my flying because of all the experience that I had gained over the last 2 months. The bird's eye shots with rotations and pullaways were showing the progress of the roof decking. It was a lot of work that was being completed. With the remaining decking to be installed, I positioned the drone to a hover to watch the work being completed. It was again like watching a puzzle being put together with all the pieces fitting into place perfectly. With the decking in place, the framing was almost complete. It was time to move to the master deck. This was fun to film, the construction of the master deck. Without missing a beat, once the roof decking was complete, the master deck was started. It didn't take it long for the floor to be installed. It was one of those moments that the floor was laid when I was away. Once the floor was in place, then the framing for the master deck was started. The framing was almost complete. I hope you enjoy what you're seeing today. Please subscribe and share. The tip for the day is always have enough SD cards, or make sure your SD card has got enough room on it before you begin an operation.